In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the element in Base44. We'll walk through this process together from inside the Base44 interface, so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to type in order to update an element, such as a title, quickly and confidently. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 workspace and that you have the app or project open where you want to make changes. On your screen, look for the chat box area. Just below that, you'll see an option called Visual Edit. This is the feature that lets you visually edit elements right on the page, instead of digging through code or complex menus. Go ahead and click on Visual Edit. When you do this, Base44 will switch into an editing mode and highlight different elements on the page as you move your mouse around. Next, move your cursor over the title that you want to change. This might be a heading at the top of the page, a section title, or any labeled element that you'd like to update. Click directly on that title. You should notice that it becomes selected, often with a border or highlight around it, indicating that you're now focused on that specific element. Once the title is selected, look for an option labeled Edit Element. This will usually appear as a small button or menu item near the element or in a panel on the side of the screen, depending on your layout. Click on Edit Element. This tells Base44 that you want to change the content or settings of this particular item, rather than just selecting it. After you click Edit Element, you'll see a field where you can type. This is where you enter the new text or value you want for that element. Place your cursor inside the text field, delete or overwrite the existing content, and type in the new title or wording you want to use. Take a moment to double check your spelling and make sure the phrasing looks right for your page. When you're done typing, confirm or save your change, depending on the button you see, and review the page to ensure the update looks the way you expect. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed an element in Base44 using Visual Edit.